Good day everyone! In this video, we will share to all of you the proper bed bathing or tepid sponge bath for patient who has a fever. But first, what is the importance of the tepid sponge bath?
Tepid water serves a dual role in helping the body maintain its ideal temperature. In situations where the body is overheated due to fever, heat exhaustion, or heat stroke, tepid water can effectively cool it down. This cooling effect is particularly valuable for individuals battling illness or experiencing heat-related conditions, as it aids in reducing their body temperature to a safer and more comfortable level. Conversely, tepid water can be equally beneficial in warming up the body when it's too cold. By providing a gentle and soothing warmth, tepid water is an effective tool for ensuring comfort and safety, especially in cases where the body needs a gradual adjustment to a more suitable temperature.
For the equipments, we need 2 bath towels, basin with lukewarm water.
Place a pillow under the patient's head for comfort and cover the patient with top sheet. Next is place a bath towel under the patient's head for absorption of excess water. Mix a meat. Soak and dry out excess water. Washes and dries the farther eye from inner canthus to the outer canthus. Washes and dries the other eye. Washes and dries face, ears, and neck. Next is expose the arm and place the bath towel lengthwise under it. Washes and dries the arm and axilla. Spreads the towel across the patient's chest while lowering the sheet to the umbilical area. Washes and dries the chest. Washes and dries the umbilical area. Changes water as often as necessary. Next is expose the leg and place the bath towel lengthwise under it. Washes and dries the leg. thus to the other leg.
Make sure to change the clothes of the patient and perform proper hand hygiene after the procedure. Thank you for watching on this video.